In the mists of Loktak's memory we rise, from the waters of memory where truth still lies. We are not gone, we still belong. The valley breathes, our spirit strong. We are the fire, born of the hills, a valley of desire. We are Indians, our spirit one, under the sky. Tell me, is it a law or truth we can see? We are not rebels, we are the dream. Come on, people of the valley, awake.
From every side, let thunder shake.
We are the heart, we are the tiller, we are meaty, remember the name.
Not to divide,
but to stand as one.
We are the people, we are the foundation.
Together we rise from endless nights. We remain united in love, in pain, through every loss, through every chain. We the people, we the strength, our song at freedom's length. From the valley's heart to the mountain's cry, when Meepo lives and will never die.
we are the people.